Yeah, I think that's what it was. I think that is what had happened, and I just want to clarify that. Frontline millionaires. Whoo, banging that Nipsey, you know what I'm saying? All right. What up, YouTube? Oh, it's time to talk about it. I've been banging and listening to the AirPods 2. We got AirPods 2 versus the AirPods 1. And is there really a difference? Is there any differences as far as sound and just overall performance between AirPods 2 and AirPods 1? Now, a lot of you may have the AirPods 1. They may be showing signs of wear, they may not be. And you just curious, should you run, jump out and grab AirPods 2? First thing I wanna address, yes, I know MKBHD said that Apple told him that there is no sound difference or sound change to the AirPods 2. In my last video, I said that there is an amplification difference. Now, it could be due to a stronger, better connection, or it could be due to maybe they possibly turned up the amplification a slight bit. That's not changing the sound. So I can still say that, no, we haven't changed the sound, but yet they can be far more amplified. Here we go, I got my nip on, you know what I'm saying, keys to the city. Y'all already know I'm from LA, Central LA, from the west side. Right now, AirPods 2 are in my ear. Okay. Now, I've been banging those. I've been banging that song before I came and sat down, so I know what it sounds like to me. Now I'm gonna pull out AirPods Generation 1. Put these up in my ear. It has connected to my CJ Knows Tech AirPod. Woo! Did it change the volume? Hold on, okay, so let me see something. I need to see. So I see where, you see where my volume is. Oh, the volume does change. Okay, that's actually really dope. The fact that it remembers what volume you had each AirPod at. Yo, that's something new that I didn't know about with Apple. That is so dope. So let me get these up. Okay, that's where we at with it right there, right? Boom, come out. It resets, but then when we put these in, it goes up to that same spot. Okay, so that could have been the issue to yesterday. Maybe the volume, I didn't realize that it changes volume depending on which set of AirPods you put in. And that's dope, that's crazy. So that means yesterday, I still got work to do, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think that's what it was. I think that is what had happened, and I just want to clarify that. I didn't even know that the AirPods remember what volume they were at from the last time you used them. So that's why I probably thought that there was an amplification difference. Now let me go back, hold on. 1 minute, 20-second mark on that same song. I'm gonna go back to that when I put in the AirPods 1. And then this will really be the true test. Let's go back, 120, boom. All right, yeah. So that solves it. No, there is no sound difference between these two, absolutely not. I didn't know. Me switching between AirPods gave me 2 different volume settings. Now, some people out there gonna argue, well, these headphones are better than AirPods. They sound better. There are other truly wireless buds that sound better. You might be absolutely right, but will they have the same integration as a W1 or H1 chip paired with iOS? Absolutely not. The only other manufacturer outside of these is not one that's owned by Apple, which would be Beats. So we've seen pictures of those rumored truly wireless Beats audios that are gonna be coming out. I can't wait to grab those. Those are gonna be the next on my list for me to give a try in truly wireless earbuds. And if you have another manufacturer and brand style truly earbuds that you feel rival to AirPods, leave it down in the description below so I can check those out too. So I just wanted to clarify, no, there's absolutely no sound difference between the two. And as far as the verses, this is the reality. Latest and greatest with the AirPods 2. So, I mean, you're getting the latest chip, you're getting a little bit more talk time and so forth. If your first time AirPods buyer, go for the new ones. If you already own AirPods 1 and they're holding up just fine, you're good. Get the wireless charging case if you want that feature. But if you have the first gen AirPods and it's starting to show wear and tear, I mean, it's obvious that if you love them that much and you want to get that fresh vibe that you had when you first got them, go ahead and grab a new pair of AirPods 2. Why not? That basically solves it. So if anyone was wondering, is there a difference between these two sound-wise? Absolutely not. Here's the big difference though right here, just in general. Turn that bad boy on, bada bing. Where you at? Bow, right there. Can I put both of these on here? I'm about to clown out right now. Let me see, no? All in all, if you've never had AirPods and you're an iOS user, I highly recommend you get them. Get them with your iPhone. They're like the best companion as far as listening to audio, convenience of answering phones, just the way it works together. Are they the best? I mean, come on. Do they work? Do they offer convenience? Are they worth the purchase? Absolutely. So that's all I got to say about this. Just want to clarify that no, there is no sound difference. And yeah, my name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. Woo. And you better get you some links in the description. Get you the brand new AirPods, baby. I'm out of here, man.